Hello everyone, I'm back. So let's talk about this. Don't beg your attentions, even your men, even your friends, even your family. Okay? Dahil sa totoo lang talaga everyone, it's not necessary talaga na kailangan nating mag-beg ng attention sa ibang tao. Instead lang siguro yung mga taong nabigay ng kabutihan sa atin at nagbigay ng kaginhawaan sa buhay natin at lalo na sampal tayo ng gatong, yan lang talaga ay talaga maghinayang tayo na mawala sila sa buhay natin. Pero yung mga tao naman talaga na, for example, your relationship, mayroon kang karelasyon, talagang parang pag nag-text ka and then bukas ka na replyan or after ilang oras ka replyan, which is alam mo online siya, or kung mayroon kang amiga na talagang actually naman talaga not this kasi marami din akong mga kaibigan talaga na hindi kami lagi nag-usap, but the care and the communication is always there, no? But alam mo naman talaga na we have a power to know, kumbaga mayroon tayong talagang nararamdaman kung ang isang tao ay totoo sa atin at hindi. And sa akin lang naman talaga, ito lang talaga masasabi ko. Kung sino yung mga amiga mo na nandyan sa buhay mo, keep concerning you, good or bad na dumating sa buhay mo at nandyan sila sa'yo, happy or sad, nandyan sila sa'yo, that's mean that's your friend, no? So kahit hindi man lagi kayo nag-uusap, that's your friend. But yung mga amiga mo na bigla na lang magpakita pag mayroon kang giaway sa social media, mayroon kang inaaway sa social media, and then parang mas na-intriga sila sa sadness ng buhay mo kaysa sa happiness ng buhay mo, maybe you need to think twice, no? Dahil talagang hindi natin maiwasan talaga na talagang marami talagang mga amiga na piki, no? And then some other friendship talaga na talagang they're not happy of your success, your happiness, your, lalo na, alam na, talagang nandun talaga yung, ganun. But ako naman talaga everyone, I have a lot of lesson learned about making friendship because, you know, I'm so lucky about men, everyone, I'm so lucky talaga dahil all of my men are care for me, are love me, and giving attention, their attentions to me. But, you know, in spite of friendship, everyone, I have a lot of experience dahil, you know, sa totoo lang naman talaga, hindi mo talaga malaman on that spot na yung tao ay paminsan mayroon talaga kang makikita na tao na talaga on first lang parang alam mo yung parang matayo na yung buhok mo, parang umalas na yung bugo mo, but you know hindi malam, it means that siguro ang ano na hindi kayo compatible. But mayroon talagang tao dumating sa buhay natin na later na natin malalaman na she's not a friend, no, or kaibigan, or mayroon tayong makarelasyon, or mayroon man tayong makarelasyon na talagang later on na natin malalaman ay hindi pala tayo bagay. So ganon. So ako talaga in maturity talagang hindi ko na kailangan talaga everyone na talagang like begging attention, parang alam mo yung stop that kind of attitude everyone, or gawain ng ibang gawain na parang nawalan pag yung amiga mo parang natatakot ka na mayroon ka sasabihin na ma-offend siya, and then natatakot ka baka mawala siya sa buhay mo, or lalaki man yan or kaibigan man yan. No, stop it, because you know ang taong totoo at nagmahal sa iyo at gusto ka, hindi yan sila mawawala kahit anong pang mangyari, kahit sino ka pa, hindi yan sila mawawala sa buhay mo, no? And that's me now everyone, no? Kung sino yung nandyan sa buhay ko, okay. Kung sino yung umiwas sa atin at nawala na sa buhay ko, it's okay. Because, you know, I don't need to beg other people who like me, who love me, who cared me, who love me, who like me. Because, you know, para sa akin, it's not that very important for me na kailangan kong magmakaawa ng gustuhin ako ng isang tao. Para sa akin, sino ka ba? No? Because, you know, in this world talaga everyone, you cannot please everyone, but because I am loving myself, I have a big respect of myself, I'm taking care of my health, I'm taking care of my emotions, my feelings, and also I have a very big love and respect to myself. That's why I don't need to beg other people attentions. If there's someone who stay with me, okay. If there is don't like me, it's okay. Because, you know, we are living in our own life. Okay, we are living in our own in our own life. So, talagang make sure lang talaga na maghinayang kayo sa isang tao na kailangan nating kumbaga, it's not mean na magmakaawa ka, dahil sa totoo naman talaga, it's no need na magmakaawa dahil, you know, tayong lahat, we are capable of everything. No? We are capable of everything.